on, come on, be sustained. Go on, yeah, come on. Versa team, go, go, go!
Magpunta na tayo dito. Next team. Eto na, sina Orlando Motorcina Team Chaos.
Makinig ka ba kung sino ang tinawag? Ganyan pala pag we are chaos. Chaos is the best among the best. We will win this no matter what happens. We are chaos.
Chaos!
Okay.
Next team. Alright, eto naman, hindi magpapatalo si Maricel, Edelito, and Ivy Team Daredevil.
Daredevil.
Parang may dalawang deer at may isang devil. Dear Devil. Dear Devil. Okay, last but not the least. Eto na sina Yolanda, Christopher, and Mario Team Super.
We are Team Super, and we will bring it down.
Yun. Nangyari sa kapityon. Let's play. Alright. Ayos ibang klase ang energy natin ngayon, umaga. Team, good luck sa inyo. Kapit na makakapay natin ganito. And let's play, Ito ang Gusto Ko. Alright. First quiz natin ngayon ay isang phrase quiz. Category is favorite movie snack food. Hit it. Body mix.
Popcorn with extra melted butter.
Is correct. Next quiz ay isang audio quiz. Category is favorite Ray Valera song. Hit it. There you go.
Tayong dalawa.
Is correct. Let's hear it.
Patawarin mo ako pagkat
Na ginawa ni Tito Gyari for tayong dalawa ni Kim at Gerald. Mabuhay ka, Tito Gyari. Okay. Next quiz will be a picture quiz. Category is favorite Pinoy tourist attraction. Hit it. Chaos.
Hills.
Chaos.
Chocolate Hills is correct.
Next quiz ay isang audio quiz. Category is favorite foreign music band. Hit it. Team Chaos.
Michael Learns to Rock.
Is correct. Let's hear it. The actor 1991. Chaos, you have 2 points. You are moving on. Next quiz natin ay isang phrase quiz. Ito naman. Ito naman. Ang category natin ay favorite pro-environment campaign. Hit it. Superb.
Piso para sa Pasig.
Piso para sa Pasig is correct.